Hello, in front of me I've got glorious Model O2 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to change DPI. In the beginning, let's go to glorious Core app and next go to DPI. As you can see right here, we've got 5 stages of the DPI. We can add new stages. To change DPI, simply press DPI button located at the top of the mouse. You can see current DPI mode at the bottom of the mouse, right here on this LED. As you can see, yellow is 400 DPI, teal is 800, red is 1600, green is 3200, and purple is 6400. The maximum DPI is 26,000. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.